Your mother will be furious about those balloons. You know she said no fuss, just you and Lisa come for tea.
I know, but it'll be a laugh. She'll rush out and take them in before the neighbours see them. I've got a wee cake as well. She can't complain about that. You keep a lookout and I'll put them in here. Don't see her. She must be round the back. It's locked. That's funny. She was expecting us.
Oh, you got a key?
No, but wait a minute. Take that. Eureka! Here's a note. Mum says she's had an urgent call to go and see a Cyril Pennington and we've to help ourselves to our tea. It's in the oven.
Who's Cyril Pennington?
Haven't a clue.
Something smells good.
I'm getting worried. She should have been back by now. It's getting late. Oh look, there's a message on the answer machine. Do you think we should listen to it?
Suit yourself.
Might be a clue.
Ah, Florence. Are you on your way to your date with Destiny? I am waiting for you. You will die tonight.
Oh no! What are we going to do? Mum's in trouble. Who was that? Was that Cyril Pennington?
Don't panic. I'll do 1471. You go and find the phone directory and find out if it's the same number. $625-371.
Pennington, see? It's him! 10 Cromwell Court! Mum must be in danger, come on! Wait! We've no money, no handbag, no key.
We'll walk, it's not far.
We'll run, come on! This is it, number 10. Walk past slowly.
There's no sign of anyone.
You wait here. I'll have a look around the back. I'm not back in 5 minutes. You get a neighbour to phone the police, okay?
Sarah, can we not just call them now? I'm scared. Shh, just have a look around first. What made you think I was in trouble? I left you a note.
It was that phone message from Cyril.
I'm sorry. I'm the demon in a drama club play, and I was just practicing my demon voice, you know. Ha 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 ha!
And those horrible things around my neck.
I was in a panic when I burst my original pair. I phoned Florence, and she suggested we dye an old white pair.
I thought they were outside on the line. I thought they could drip whilst we went outside for something to eat.
Not quite the birthday tea Sarah had planned for you, Mrs. Bruce.
You haven't told anyone my birthday, have you?
No, I haven't told anyone.
Well, Florence, many happy returns.